What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have an F350 that has seen some better days. A customer recently purchased it and is looking to get it fully dialed in, and man, when I tell you this thing was rough, I'm not joking. But we have a huge job ahead of us, so let's start wrenching on this F350. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed checking out us bring this F350 back to life. It handles awesome. I drove it myself. I absolutely love how it drives. I know the customer can't wait to come pick it up. He's on his way right now. And I'd love to know what you guys think of this video. So don't forget, smack that like button. Comment down below of what you thought about this F350 rebuild and how you would rebuild your F350 if you owned one. And don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.